Ever needed help trying to locate something on a map? Start by learning how to do graphing points. In this video, I, Marissa, will be teaching you how to do them. Before anything else, you will need to know your axes on a grid. Well, this is our grid, and the vertical number line is called the y-axis, and the horizontal number line is called the x-axis, and where both the y and x-axis meet is called the origin. By locating any point in the grid is using ordered pairs, also known as coordinates. Remember too, the coordinates are always in parentheses. So for example, if I had the pair 2, 3, since the first number is always for the x-axis, I would try to find 2 on there, which is right here. Then I would need to look up on the y-axis and try to find 3. And where both 2 and 3 intersect, or where those two lines meet, would be the coordinate. Now let's try doing this step by step. Now, what if my pair was 4, 6? Step 1. Start at the origin and try to find 4 on the x-axis. Step 2. Then, look up on the y-axis and try to find 6. Step 3. Find where both 4 and 6 intersect, or where those two lines meet, and that would be the coordinate. Now, what if my graph is bigger? Then it would be divided into 4 parts. You see, we still have our y and x-axis, but on the left of the x-axis is now negative x. And both under negative x and x is now negative y. So, what if my pair, instead of 4, 6, was now negative 4 and 6? Step 1. Start at the origin and go left, since 4 is now negative 4. Step 2. Since 6 is not a negative, I would still look up on my y-axis and try to find 6. Step 3. Find where both negative 4 and 6 intersect, or where those two lines meet, and that would be the coordinate. Or instead of my pair being negative 4 and 6, what if my pair was 4 and negative 6? Step 1. Start at the origin and try to find 4 on the x-axis. Step 2. Since it is negative 6 instead of 6, I would look down to my y-axis and try to find negative 6. Step 3. Find where both 4 and negative 6 intersect, or where those two lines meet, and that would be the coordinate. Now let's try something fun. Can you find the pair to x? Well, since it is on the 1 axis, the first number would be 1. Then, as you can see, it's on the negative 5. So, the pair would be 1 and negative 5. That would be the coordinate. Well, that's it for basically learning graphing points. Hope this video made it more clear on how to do them. Thanks for watching.